Welcome to Escofab Inc, your go-to metal fabrication and machining facility. Founded in 1981, we are located in Atmore, Alabama, and have been servicing various industries in the Southeast for over 28 years. We create products from stainless and galvanized steel, aluminum, and UHMW plastic. Whether the job requires one part or 1,000 parts, our knowledgeable and committed team will strive for excellence and provide quality services. As a business, we value speedy and efficient services for every client, making sure that you get the most out of every dollar spent. Not sure what your job requires? Give us a call at 251-368-1261 or stop by our website for more information. We are open weekdays from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., except Fridays when we close at 2:30. So come by today. We look forward to servicing you.